Very popular, very popular. And this is B30W 14 karat gold. And sometimes I may mix it to make my colors that I want. Honey to correspond my name, Honey Bee. And this is B11W Honey Brown. Yeah. So you want to get a closer look. Hope it's not blurry. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to rinse my hair, and then my hair will be in quarantine also, because I'm just gonna keep it conditioned, and I'll keep you all posted. So the first of each month hereafter, I will make a video to show the how much my hair then came out, as far as the grays or white, whichever one, silver gray. And it was a fight. It's been a fight, because I was like, do I go gray? Do I go all the way gray? Because I always said I want to do it because that's my dad. He's going on now, but he always said that he wanted to see the day when his head was totally white. He wanted to go totally white, but that didn't happen. So I don't know how long we're going to be in quarantine, but I say preferably I'm gonna see how long I can go and let my hair just grow out. Let it grow out without putting any rinse in it. So April 1st, I will be starting my no rinse challenge. Okay? So, you know, they always say party down the middle. It don't take a lot. Don't take a long time. So you putting it on, it be dark. But once I rinse it, the color comes out to real light. It be just like what I want. And so when like I said, if I want a little darker, I just add the, what is it, B11W. I mix them to get it like real, looking like honey, 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 honey. So this is my no rinse challenge. I'm quite sure I have some viewers out there that agree with me. Been wanting to do it a long time. So this is the perfect time, you all. We're in quarantine, so let's do it. Let's do it. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, let's do this challenge. No rinse, no rinse, no rinse, no hair rinse for the duration of the quarantine. And if the quarantine stops, maybe, stop maybe like a month or two, who knows, I might just keep it going. Yeah, see, like I said, it don't take a lot, because my hair, mainly, I see the gray coming through like up here, my scalp up here, and everybody know, the edges. You know, one of some of the first places where that grays show up. Hope you all be rooting with me. Comment below, comment below. Come on, root me, give me some hearts, some thumbs up. You can do the no rinse challenge. You can do it, Yola. You got this. You got this. I believe in me. I believe in me. I can do it. I can do it. And then I leave the rinse on for a short time. Then just trying to get all the little fine points, you know. Y'all hear my bottle? It's almost done. The B11W, I'll put the rest of that in. Only have a little of this left to get that real beautiful honey look. Honey, honey, honey. Yeah. Like I said, it don't take that much. And so we'll see how much gray I'm going to have within a month. Cause what, April 1st, I think it's only 30 days in April. So I have 30 days, no rinse. Then April, May, I think May is, 31 days. I ain't checked the calendar yet. But whichever one, if it's 30 or 31, I'm going through with my no rinse challenge. Yes. It's been in long enough, so I'm going to rinse it and I'll be back. Oh well, I'll be back after my daughter clip my ends. Oh, that's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. Now I'm going to rinse it